pa ba ang dapat habangin? Magkapiling lang kita.
Tuwab-wab. Para mas malinaw mong makapture ang future mo. Open close parenthesis ako. Plus, may Gengar ka para may kakadel pag busy ako. PS. PS5 soon. Promise. At saka bagong laptop, computer. Ay, wala pala yan.
Tungo sa'yo, oh, papunta na.
Bob, someday this gift will perish like all other material things, but what will remain are our hours of adventure, solving problems, and figuring out puzzles together. Those to me are priceless. So let's jump, dash further together. Enjoy.
O kabato, distansya'y di hadlang, lapit-lapit lang sa'yo.
PS, pakisaoli na yung Steam Deck ko kasi meron ka naman na. I love you. See you later. So, niregaluhan niya na ako ng Steam Deck. Thank you.
John Alex, did you come of your own free will to bind yourself forever in the love and service of your husband?
Yes, Father.
Nang bahagi ka ng aking pag-iisip, inip ng
You have to take care of one another every moment, every day. Always put your husband, your wife in your heart.
Patungo sa'yo, oh, papunta na tayong dalawa sa ating hantungan, iibigin ka, oh, kakaiba ang nadaramahan, magkakapiling ka na kahit malayo.
Pwede niya akong ligawan. And then, sabi niya, if it's a G. Sabi ko, okay, sige, it's a G.
Wab-wab. Chichi. My bride, my wife, Jana. This is my vow made for two. That night in the ICU, I made a vow to one of the most important person in your life. I vowed to love you and take care of you the way he loved and took care of you. Then I asked him kung dadating po ang oras na kukunin ko ang kamay ni Jana sa kasal. Papayag po ba kayo? He looked me in the eyes. He gave me a thumbs up and a small nod. I thanked him. And that's the last time I spoke to him.
I just like to wish her the best and be happy. And whatever happens, we will all support her. This is very special for me because this is also the birthday of my late husband and we're doing it at the wedding day of Jana. So this is very special for us. Whatever happens, I'll be behind you and always remember that you are loved, always.
Wala, basta love na love ko siya.
Remember Jesus being with you in this life, in this journey towards a joyful and successful married life. If you could do that, I'm sure your marriage will be a successful marriage and a joyful one.
Mapahala, ika't sumandi ka.
Nung first time tayo nag-meet, tinanong mo ko kung G ba ako na ligawan mo ko. Ang sabi ko noon ay G. And sa next chapter of our life, G pa rin ako.
I love you, Jana. Let's embrace this journey together.
Ikaw na ang kaisa-isang para sa'kin. Ibigin mo kong dahan-dahan, dahan-dahan tayo sa man